Making questions clear. Mastering reported speech in questions. Hello, English learners. Today we're going to explore an important aspect of reported speech, specifically focusing on maintaining subject-verb agreement in reported questions. Grasping this concept will significantly improve your communication skills, especially when retelling or reporting questions. Let's dive into the basics of reported speech first. When we use reported speech, we are usually talking about the past. We use reported speech when we want to tell someone what someone else said. Remember, when reporting a question, we need to change the structure of the sentence so that it no longer appears as a direct question. This is where maintaining subject-verb agreement comes in. For example, consider the question, what does the recipe say about the cooking time? If we report this question, it becomes, she asked what the recipe said about the cooking time. Here, we moved the question to a statement structure and adjusted the verb tense accordingly. Notice how does say became said, maintaining the correct subject-verb agreement. Let's delve deeper into the process of transforming a direct question into a reported question. 1. Identify the question. Find the question that you want to report. For example, how do you make a sandwich? 2. Change to statement form. Next, you should change the question to statement form and adjust the verb tense. She asked how to make a sandwich. 3. Maintain subject-verb agreement. Ensure the subject of your reported question agrees with the verb in number and tense. In our example, the subject, she, agrees with the verb, asked. It's essential to note that in reported questions, we need to ensure that the tense is moved back to maintain the consistency of past narration, also known as backshifting. For instance, present tense verbs like do and does usually shift to did in the reported speech. Now let's work on some practical examples. Direct question. What do they think about the movie? Reported question. He asked what they thought about the movie. Direct question. Where does she live? Reported question. They asked where she lived. It's time for some practice now. Try to transform these direct questions into reported questions. 1. Why do you study English? 2. How does he learn new words? 3. When do we start the project? Don't forget to maintain the subject-verb agreement. Mastering the transformation from direct to reported questions is key to sound more natural and fluent in English. Remember the key points. Change the structure of the sentence, adjust the verb tense, and maintain subject-verb agreement. We hope this video has made the concept of maintaining subject-verb agreement in reported questions clearer. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.